It's your girl Mel and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you this beautiful kinky curly short unit from Luvme Hair. It has a breathable cap. It is a glueless, lace the knots is all little and everything. It's one of the wigs that are already done for you, like I've been showing you guys. So yeah, but I wanted to show you guys something a little bit different, shorter, because I've kind of been doing long ones. But yeah, not too much talking, let's get right into this video. It is quick, easy, and simple, just how we like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So I am going to show you the box from Luvme Hair, and I'm going to show you the little goodies that are in it because, you know, they always give goodies. I'm going to go over that before putting the wig on, which is going to be like so simple. This is the box, the packaging, so you know what to expect. I love that the box is not super big because you could easily like store the wig back in here and it doesn't take up much space. So as for the goodies, we have a wig cap, and then I believe there's a silicone band in here to lay down the front of your wig if you want to just put a little mousse like to make it more flat if you do baby hairs and stuff. And then the super cute purple brush and a baggie to put your, let me extend it out for you guys. A baggie to put your wig in when you're done, which these come in clutch because I have like a bin in my closet and I just put all my wigs in these bags and stuff them in there. They don't take up that much space, so these bags really come in handy. Go ahead and put this bad boy on, little bad girl. But first, let's put the wig cap on. I'm gonna put the wig cap on that they provided me with. I must say, I'm very happy that this wig cap is darker because it is darker, right? Yes. Finally, because a lot of the wig caps that these wig companies give you is that lightish beige color, and I'm like, this defeats the whole purpose because it's not the color. I don't know about y'all, but it's not the color of my scalp. So I'm just like, this defeats the whole purpose. Like, I still have to wear another wig cap because it doesn't blend. But this one, y'all know what you're doing with this. I have the bookie cornrows today, guys. These are pretty solid, pretty okay, because my mom did them for me this time. So let's put this wig cap on. Oh. Okay. So now I'm gonna take this. I think it's already at a good tightness. And just throw it to the back of my head. Okay. This cap size is amazing. Woo! This cap size, finally a freaking cap size that fits. Finally a cap size, finally a cap size that fits. When I tell you so much of these caps, like the side of my hair be out and stuff, and I'm like, wind, please don't blow. Finally it fits. So this looks really good thus far. The scalp looks really, really good. The hair, I washed it already and I let it air dry. So we have some like really nice natural fluffy curls already going on. I don't even know if I'm gonna bother do anything else to it. But already, it's giving.
promise we'll never change. Tell me now if you will go with me all the way.
I have it off. That was super, super easy. So let's just pull the rest of the hair out. And I'm just kind of, I want like a fluffier look, so I'm just, like I said, I'm not gonna spray it down. I'm just kind of unraveling the hair and the curls with my fingers. Oh my god, it's so cute. I love that it's just like a little bob. It's like not too hot. So I'm gonna go ahead right around my face and just kind of, where's my scissors? I'm gonna frame this a little bit more.
Promise me we'll never fall, never fall. Promise me, promise.
So this is it on. I love it. The quality is so good. I don't know if it's because it's like the breathable cap, but it almost feels like I don't even have anything on my head. Like I don't even have a wig on. A little bonus. I also want to show you guys how quickly you can turn this from a center part to a side part. So I have it at a side part. I just shifted it, and then we can just shift it back. Boom. You have a center part. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I've really been enjoying like this little wig series that I've been doing and sharing these different wigs with you guys. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll have everything about this wig in the description box below for you to click on, get it yourself. I'd 100% recommend, but you guys know I would not be showing you any wigs that I personally don't like. I'm very particular about wigs because I don't want my wigs to look like a wig. But this one is definitely on that list, and it's a shorter style, and I feel like I haven't done a lot of shorter looks either. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys next week with another video.